Hey there, are you frustrated with DoorDash not accepting drivers and looking for solutions? In this guide, we'll tackle the issue of DoorDash not accepting drivers and provide you with practical steps to overcome this problem. Whether you're a seasoned dasher or new to the gig, these tips will help you get back on the road and start earning again. Step 1. Review DoorDash application requirements. The first step in resolving the issue of DoorDash not accepting drivers is understanding their application requirements. Ensure you meet the minimum criteria, which usually includes being at least 18 years old, having a valid driver's license, possessing a smartphone, iOS for Apple users and Android for others, and passing a background check. Also, keep in mind that having an insured vehicle, unless you're opting for a bicycle or scooter delivery, is necessary. Double-check these essentials to ensure you're meeting the standard prerequisites. Step 2. Maintain an approved vehicle and insurance. Another reason for DoorDash not accepting drivers might be related to vehicle specifications or insurance requirements. Make sure that your vehicle is in good working condition and fits within the stipulated guidelines set by DoorDash, which typically prioritize reliability and safety. Moreover, your car insurance should be up to date and meet the liability coverage needs. Updating the necessary documents might clear the obstacles and ease the acceptance process. Step 3. Ensure background check compliance. Having issues with background checks can be a major hurdle if DoorDash is not accepting you as a driver. DoorDash uses a third-party service to conduct these checks, which look at your criminal history and driving record. It's crucial to ensure that your background is clear of any disqualifying. If your background check status is stuck or not updating, consider contacting Checker, the service DoorDash commonly uses, to understand and resolve any underlying issues. Step 4. Double-check application submission. It might sound basic, but ensuring your application was submitted correctly is crucial if you're experiencing problems. There might be instances where forms weren't filled out completely or supporting documents weren't uploaded successfully. If you aren't sure, log back into your DoorDash driver portal to verify. If something seems amiss, consider reapplying with all necessary documentation and details filled out. Step 5. Contact DoorDash support. If you've ensured all requirements are met and still encounter issues, reaching out to DoorDash support is the next step. Use the help button in the DoorDash app or visit the support section of the DoorDash website to get assistance. Clearly explain your issue, mention that you've met all the criteria and are still facing roadblocks. DoorDash support is equipped to handle such queries and might provide insights or solutions specific to your situation. Step 6. Explore alternative gig platforms. If all else fails and DoorDash has closed doors for the time being, consider exploring alternative gig economy platforms. Companies like Uber Eats, Grubhub, or Postmates offer similar delivery services, often with fewer initial barriers in certain regions. Diversifying your options not only keeps you in the gig economy game, but might also provide a broader range of earning opportunities. Dealing with DoorDash not accepting drivers can be frustrating, but understanding the requirements and taking a proactive approach can significantly improve your chance. Don't forget to review the criteria, maintain proper vehicle documentation, comply with background checks, and ensure your application is complete. Utilize DoorDash support if needed, and always keep alternative opportunities in mind to ensure steady earning. With these strategies, you pave the way to resolving the acceptance issue and getting back to dashing through deliveries.